Getting started. 1. Listen and read.
Unit 3. My friends.
Page 26. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
This is a great idea, Zoom. I love picnics.
Me too, Foot. I think Lucas likes them too.
Lucas is so friendly.
Can you pass me the biscuits, please?
Yes, sure.
Thank you. What are you reading, Foot?
14. It's my favourite magazine.
Oh, look. It's Mai. And she's with someone.
Oh, who's that? She has glasses and she has long black hair.
I don't know. They're coming over.
Hi, Fook. Hi, Zung. This is my friend Zhao.
Hi, Zhao.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Would you like to sit down? We have lots of food.
Oh, sorry. We can't. It's time to go home. This evening, we are working on our school project.
Sounds great. I'm going to the judo club with my brother. How about you, Foot?
I'm visiting my grandma and grandpa.
Okay, see you later.
Bye.
3. Choose the adjectives in the box to complete the sentences. Look for the highlighted words. Listen, check and repeat the words.
Activity 3. Choose the adjectives in the box to complete the sentences. Look for the highlighted words. Listen, check and repeat the words.
1. Mina is very creative. She likes to draw pictures. She always has lots of new ideas. 2. Tu is kind. He likes to help his friends. 3. Minduk is confident. He isn't shy. He likes to meet new people. 4. Kim is very talkative. She's always on the phone, chatting to friends. 5. Mai is clever. She understands things quickly and easily.